Hey guys, Nisk here. Okay, this time we're gonna install the driver. Okay, I'm using the NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm gonna be installing the NVIDIA graphics driver. If you're using ATI, please skip this step, because obviously you're using different graphics card. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna be installing the NVIDIA CUDA developer driver, because I do CUDA and I want to install that one. But this step will work for both the normal one and the NVIDIA one. So anyway, let's get started. As you can see, my graphics card is currently unknown. Oh, that's a bit of a lie. I actually already installed it, but I just didn't put in the name. But the point is, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Open up your Firefox. Don't mind that, it's my channel. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna put a link in your video description, so you can just click straight to the driver you want and find it and download it. Okay, but just in case, just go on NVIDIA CUDA and go for CUDA downloads, and that should give you the driver there. Depending on which system you're using, either 32-bit or 64-bit. And you can also download this thing, the toolkit for whichever distribution you're using. I'm actually going to use the 11.04. It should work fine, and the SDK, but it's up to you. Just get the driver in the downloads folder or whichever folder, depends. It's up to you. I'll be using the download one. Okay, so next step is, sorry it's a bit late. Yeah, so we want to install some basic stuff. Essentially, again, I'm gonna put the command into the description, so you don't have to actually type it in, but I do. Actually, you know what? I'll have it somewhere there in my history. Oh dear. Don't mind this, don't mind this. It's somewhere here. It's 2 lines. There we go. That's the stuff I installed, okay? So I expect if I hit that again, it will try to install again, but it's already installed. As I said, this stuff, it's in the description. Just copy and paste it into the terminal. To copy, you just use Control-C in the YouTube video or in the browser, but to paste it, you need Control-Shift-V to paste it in. And the same for copying anything from the terminal, or you can just right-click on the mouse, copy and paste. The standard stuff. Okay. Next thing is a little bit different. What you want to do is blacklist some old drivers and drivers that you don't need to make sure your system doesn't use them at boot of time. I'm going to be using the gedit. It's installed by default with Ubuntu, so it should be fine. Okay, modprobe I think it was modprobe.com, no, .d for directory, and blacklist.conf. We'll find that soon enough. Okay, boom. So go to the bottom of the file and essentially add this stuff just where I did it there. Anything after the hash is a comment, so it doesn't matter. You can put in comments if you want, like I did. But essentially just add these things to the end of the file. Again, I'm gonna put them in the video description, so you won't have to worry about typing them in. Yeah, just save the file, and so just make sure you have sudo in front of the text area name. Now, the next thing you want to do is sudo apt get remove, and you're gonna purge everything that's to do with NVIDIA, because we're doing a fresh install. Now, I'm not gonna do that because I already have the driver installed and I do not want to risk messing things up. But essentially, just type that in, click enter. It might ask you for, like, do you want to remove this stuff? Just click Y or enter yes, or Y for yes, and click enter. Just wait for it to finish. It might take a while. because it has to generate the boo kernel-ish. Just, it might take a while. The point is, just type that in and click enter, okay? Okay, after this, you need to reset your machine. But don't do it just yet, because I have to explain you what you're going to do next. And I can show you this in the video. Okay, once you're going to restart, you're going to get your login screen again. The graphics is going to be a lot worse, because we removed all the drivers that we don't need. Basically, what you're going to do is, don't bother logging in, first of all. Enter the virtual terminal by pressing Control. I'll type it in for you. Just press Control Alt, that key combination on your keyboard. Okay, the screen is gonna go black and it's gonna be just text or terminal. And just log in with your user information and password. Then follow the commands I listed in the video description. Basically, you're just gonna stop the graphic desktop manager, and then you're gonna navigate to the folder in which you into which you downloaded the driver, and you're gonna install it. Hopefully you shouldn't have any problems. If you do, please leave a comment so I can address them. But essentially, that's it. All the commands are going to be in the video description, so you can just read that and write them down. Maybe if you don't have any other machines to look at them on. My apologies, I'm really tired. Yeah. Essentially, once you do that, run the driver, follow the prompts. Make sure you do install the 32-bit libraries, and make sure you do allow NVIDIA to change the Xarc configuration file, which will allow your system to use the new drivers next time it's booted up. Okay. Then you just boot your machine, and you should be good to go with your new driver. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and comment if there's anything wrong or if you liked it, and of course subscribe if you want to see my videos. Okay. Thanks.